In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send your first invoice in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the exact flow you'll use every time you bill a customer, keeping it simple and clear. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard. Look to the top right and click the plus icon, which is the universal add button. From the list that appears, choose Invoices. This opens the invoice creation form, where you'll enter the key details before sending. On this form, you'll see fields for the customer, the invoice number, the invoice date, and the items you're billing for. Begin by choosing the customer you want to invoice from the drop-down. Selecting the correct customer ensures the invoice pulls the right contact information and email address, so take a second to confirm you've got the right account. Next, review the invoice number. Zoho Books typically generates this automatically, but you can adjust it if your business uses a specific numbering format. Consistent numbering makes it easier to track payments and keep your records tidy. Then set the invoice date. Most businesses use today's date unless the invoice needs to reflect a specific service date. You may notice a due date on screen as well. It's often calculated from your default payment terms, so it should be correct for most situations. Now add your items. Click into the item field and select the product or service you're charging for. Enter the quantity and rate, and let Zoho Books calculate the line total for you. If your organization already has taxes or discounts configured, you'll see those apply automatically as you select items. Clear descriptions help your customer understand exactly what they're paying for, so make sure each line reads the way you want. Once everything looks right, the customer, the invoice number, the date, and the items, click Save and Send. This saves the invoice to your books and immediately opens the email composer so you can send it to your customer. In the email window, you'll see the recipient's address, a subject line, and a message body. The invoice PDF is attached automatically, and a secure link is usually included so your customer can view it online. Edit the subject and message to match your tone. A short friendly note that reiterates what the invoice covers, and a thank you for prompt payment goes a long way. Give the details one last glance to make sure the numbers and dates are correct. When you're happy with the message, click Send. Your invoice is now on its way, and the record is saved in Zoho Books for tracking and follow-up. That's all. Your first invoice sent, quickly and confidently.